The 3 spot. Small lineup agad itong Arellano Chiefs. We'll see how this goes.
Cruz usually loves it coming from the bench.
That's what's nice about both teams. Malakas talaga yung bench ng parehas na team na to. They each have one scorer on the bench right now.
The numbers, so they will try to pull it out. Tano has it, and wisely binigay kay Giovanni Halalon. Ganda nung pass sa and there's the first assist from the bus driver, Giovanni Halalon, and the point to Enriquez.
And that is exactly what Halalon brings to the table.
Intramuros, nahihirapan si Nambata, sumigzag, umikot, umihit, pumasok sa loob si Ray Nambata, Mikey.
Wow, Andre, kita mo naman yan. Akala ko mawawala na. Pero yung mga sidestep.
Bring it over to McJerlouib. It's 10-6. Lamang ng 4 ng letra na hanap ng si Giovanni Soliano.
To break this Arellano press, 2 smalls and Kevin Racal, the veteran at number 3. And right away, the Ant-Man. Tema to para sa Letran.
Ganda naman ng ikot ni McJerlouib. Pero mas maganda, kick out kay Kevin Racal. Binanggana. May basket ba? Tumba pa rin si Kevin Racal. Alam natin nang galing yan sa injury.
Only a 5-point lead here for Letran. Ayan na si Giovanni. Kailangan na niya gumawa. And right on cue. Ito na ako. Nagpapakilala na ulit si Giovanni Halalon. The bus driver. That is what Letran needs. Di pa masyadong uminit itong si Mark Cruz. Very importante to stay aggressive. And kita mo naman. The bus driver.
Ang ganda ng Mikey. Pinasa ni Dionce. Ganda ng pasahan. Nahanap si 2 minutes left in our first half. Calvo, binaba dito kay Jom Soliano against Nico Banga. The rookie Soliano against the veteran Banga. Ginagamitan ng Hakim Olaijo.
Wow.
Moves ito si Soliano. Punan ang pagmamaneho ng push ng Arellano. Binigay kay Nambatak. Nahanap si Soliano. Binalik ni Luib kay Soliano. Ang ganda ng passing ng Mikey. Binanggana. May basket pa.
Ang ganda. Kala mo nag-o-8 lang sila. Kala mo practice eh.
Fire away. Racal short on that attempt. Racal with the offensive rebound. Racal, the fake, the Binanggana. May basket pa para dito kay Kevin Racal. All day to shoot. No. Nakuha ni Nambatak. That was a great pass from Nambatak to Marcus. But the tip is good for Kevin Racal. Now with 17 today.
Every after a ball screen, either double or switch. Pero kita mo naman, pati sa opensa, ito na naman ang Letran.
McJerlouib, inista mo na! 6-0.
Oo.
Wala pa rin sila mula sa labas. And Ortega gets a rebound. Nichols will fire away. And the gunslinger, Phil Canadian gunslinger. Punta naman, binigay ni Halalon, binigay ng big pero na-block ka doon si, at yun yung touch pass ni Soliano kay Kevin Racal.
Letran down low, nakakuha sila maraming offensive rebounds, nakakuha sila maraming putback, kasama na din yung free throw. 32 already for Letran, itong si Cadavis. Lumalas mura pa. 5 and 19 to go, 9 points lang to.
Arellano, Halalon to Holtz. Holtz decides to fire. Yes! Mula sa 3, 71-68.
Ayaw nang malapitan, Greg. Gusto ko sa labas. Mark Cruz, bumawi!
Yes! Mula sa 3, 68 for the Arellano Chiefs.